Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jonathan. Today we're going to talk about the audio quality. I know a lot of videographers, they pay a bunch of money for their cameras, their lenses and gimbals. However, they just ignore the audio quality. But can you imagine that if you got a picture really good framed and it's beautiful, colorful, however, just the exposure not right, and then it will be destroyed by that mini bug. Currently, my work is actually my assignment destroyed by faulty equipment. That is the reason I bought the new wireless mic from Rode, the Wireless Go. By the way, this episode is not sponsored by anyone. It's not sponsored by Rode or any brand. I hope someone would see this episode and would sponsor me. This is the sound system I used for my main documentary, the assignment in TAFE. I don't know what happened to this one. I purchased that about 1 year ago. It's not really 1 year, just 11 months, I think. It's from BOYA, a Chinese brand. Bought that from Taobao, a Chinese website. It's like eBay. It's actually a really good wireless microphone, but I don't know what happened to it. It just got some internal faulty and just distorted all the audio in my main documentary. That's why I got the new one. Before I show you the new microphone, I want to show some my current microphones. This is the interview mic from RODE NTG4 Plus. Normally I use that for interview purposes. If I do some vox pop, it's really good for handheld, or actually if you are doing a talk show, you can use that with a standard, and you can use a C-stand to hold that mic between the talents. It can pick up the audio as good as possible. And here is the smaller mic from Rode LL. It's Rode DSLR professional mic. It's also a good interview mic. However, just a little bit weird if you do something handheld that. It's actually designed for sitting on the camera. Alright, let's start with our main topic today. Dun 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 dun. The Wireless Go. Finally, it's a time to open this new mic system, the Wireless Go. Let's open the box first. Wow. See. Okay. I don't want to destroy it. Probably I can open that from here. Not really. No. Okay. Not really. I need to. Okay. This way. Alright. The instruction. Actually, it's really simple instruction, just on the cover. Yeah. This is the systems we wanted. Okay. I guess this one is the receiver. I guess. Yeah. And this should be the transmitter. And it actually have a built-in microphone. Yeah. There's two mini stuff. It's just like half hand. Includes the transmitter and receiver. Let's compare with my old sound system. Oh, that's really mini. Alright, let's continue to have a look what else inside. This is a windshield. Two windshields actually. And a connector. And yeah, this is another instruction. Okay, we can ignore that. Wow, it have a bag actually. Yeah. Road level. Alright. This is the wireless go. Alright, this is the wireless go. Let's have a look at another thing. The lapel mic, the Lavalier Go. Why I purchased this one extra? Just because, as I just mentioned in the beginning, I'm doing a mini documentary. It's for TAFE assignment. However, I'm also need the lapel mic to do some interviews and talk to the talent. I don't want to hold the microphone in front of the camera. You know, sometimes it looks really silly, especially if you interview some big men, some celebrities or politicians. It's really silly if you hold a mic in front of them when they're talking something. Okay. Normally, I don't like to destroy the original bag just because probably after a few years, I would like to upgrade my whole system. And yeah, probably I can sell my current equipment but with the original packs. That is really important. If you can keep the original packs, that means you take care your equipment really good. And that's also good for your buyers. This is the lapel mic. Just one microphone. And what else inside? The clipper. Alright, that's it. In next episode, I will do some comparison between the DSLR professional mic and the NTG4 Plus and wireless Go. Also include the BOYA system. If you don't want to miss that, please Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you guys. Thank you for watching.